Welcome to the incredible world of elephants. Today, we're getting up close with these gentle giants to uncover the hidden traits that make Indian and African elephants so unique. Did you know that elephants are not only the largest land animals on Earth, but also one of the most intelligent? These majestic creatures have unique personalities, families, and friendships just like we do. But there's a lot more to them than meets the eye. Let's dive deeper to discover the fascinating differences between African and Indian elephants. First things first, how do you tell an African elephant from an Indian elephant? Well, the easiest way is by looking at their ears. African elephants have large, fan-shaped ears that resemble the shape of the African continent. Indian elephants, on the other hand, have smaller, rounded ears. But there's more to these ears than just size. African elephants use their big ears as built-in cooling systems, flapping them to release body heat in hot climates. Both African and Indian elephants have long trunks, but did you know they use them in different ways? African elephants have two finger-like extensions at the tip of their trunks, which they use to grasp objects with precision. Indian elephants only have one. This means African elephants are better at grabbing food, while Indian elephants usually wrap their trunk around objects instead. And what about tusks? Not all elephants have them. In African elephants, both males and females can have tusks, but in Indian elephants, only some males have tusks, while the females usually have shorter or no tusks at all. Elephants are full of surprises. Indian elephants are known to have more social bonds than African elephants, spending lots of time with extended family groups. African elephants, especially the females, often travel in smaller herds and form close-knit relationships within them. And did you know that African elephants love water and are strong swimmers? They use their trunks as snorkels and can swim long distances if needed. Indian elephants, however, prefer shallower waters and are more likely to splash around in rivers and mud puddles. Here's something most people don't know. Elephants can actually hear with their feet. African elephants, especially, are known to detect seismic vibrations through the ground with specialized cells in their feet. This helps them communicate with other elephants over long distances, even up to several miles. Elephants are also famous for their big appetites. But did you know that Indian and African elephants eat differently? African elephants are browsers, meaning they eat mostly leaves, twigs, and fruits from trees and shrubs. Indian elephants, on the other hand, are grazers and prefer grass and low-lying plants. Because of these differences, their bodies have adapted over time. African elephants have a more rounded head to help them reach tall trees, while Indian elephants have a flatter forehead. Let's talk about the famous elephant memory. Elephants are known for their incredible memories, and for a good reason. They can remember watering holes, migration routes, and even friendly humans they haven't seen in years. In some regions, African elephants have learned to avoid certain areas where they encountered danger years ago, showing an impressive level of caution and wisdom. And did you know that both African and Indian elephants can recognize themselves in mirrors? This is a rare trait known as self-awareness, something that only the most intelligent animals like dolphins and apes possess. Elephants aren't just fascinating animals, they're incredibly important for their ecosystems. Both African and Indian elephants help shape their environments. African elephants create pathways through forests that other animals use, while Indian elephants spread seeds, which helps new plants grow. So next time you see an elephant, remember, they're not just large animals. They're architects of nature, social creatures, and some of the wisest animals on Earth. Let's do our part to protect these amazing creatures for generations to come. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the hidden world of elephants. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating animal facts and adventures. We release 2 informative videos every week, so there's always something new to discover. Your support means the world to us, so thank you and see you next time.